Premtobre Kasee na ogusosha no mefri nkwanhia ya yimu na yenko eyensem fofromu na ene ya make say nkomodidi ahodo ye wo aban ene organized labor no entemu no they say the wo nyina kontiase ba kumu ama make say 2023 eye wonsi kasem base pay no wono mo de ko hamunchemu aduasa hamunchemu aduasa a general busumi ye di kan ya no ene a free ase Adom TV kase etwaso
Omanfo bekaya organized labor no ene aban no ekosi nkonya fa womo adwuma esikantumu bi hu de womo ato ne din se base pay no sesen ana womo ensa beka abra womo ehye ase esi nkonya ewo mamu ha no na organized labor no ehwe se aban no ebeto womo esikem ako 60%. Nanso aban no ede betu dwa se na womo de womo ebetimi ayen 18%. Na we ana fanu no enkonya siem no womo kotoato adwene na de ebepie mu no se sese organized labor agye atum se womo ebeje 30%. Entumu wasofo no no hwe employment eso Ignatius bafo ewua enene Adom News etwetwe ho nkomo.
It was our hope to have completed these negotiations by December 2022. Unfortunately, we were not able to finish, but thankfully, today we have worked together to come to a conclusion. The base pay has been increased by 30% for the 2023 financial year.
Owie no wasofo no no hwe oman no esikasem so Ken Ofori ata enso edinsem si na tudwa.
This is going to take a toll on the budget, but I'm confident that with enhanced productivity and the commitments that we both have given to each other to make sure that there is peace in this country as we look at pensions issues, labor issues. I think we've come to a satisfying conclusion. And I really would like to thank all of you for your commitment to that.
General Secretary Edema Trade Unions Congress, ATUC, Dr. Yauba, enso eda abanase, wo nhihye foforo wo mo enioma tenas ahihye no.
I would like to express our sincere thanks to government, especially to the ministers for finance, minister for employment, and the government team for granting 30% increase